What?
Sassy, are you eating peanut butter?
It's her peanut butter popsicle. Is that good stuff?
Is that good? Is it good? Mmm. She says, I can't talk. I got peanut butter in my mouth.
Peanut butter stuck to the roof of your beak?
Yeah.
You know you just muted it. You didn't pause it.
Yeah, I know.
You like that, don't you? Are you done? You finished with the peanut butter?
Is that good? Is that good? Oh, don't bite peanut butter on a couch. That's not good.
Peanut butter.
What you doing? What you doing? Is that good? Here you go, bird. Say hello. Can you say hello with peanut butter in your mouth? Say hello. Thank you. Yeah.
Hey, paper.
Say hello, all my people at UPS. Yeah. Yeah. Whatever. Whatever. You heard that. Whatever.